Before you begin, remove any rust or old paint layers. Clean and degrease the surface to be treated. Mix the plastic putty. Apply it and let it dry. Sand, clean and degrease the surface again. Tape off an ample area around the surface. Apply the filler in several thin layers and let it dry. Apply the sanding aid and then sand lightly. After this, clean and degrease it again. Use the Motip Colour Search app to find the right colour. Apply the lacquer in several thin layers and let it dry. Next, apply 2 overlapping layers of clear lacquer. Use Spot Blender if needed and let it dry thoroughly.